I am Mark Hernandez of Image Tactical Response Group, Trinidad. Welcome. There are 4 basic firearm safety rules. Number 1, treat all firearms as if they are loaded. Number 2, never point the firearm at anything you don't intend to destroy. Number 3, always be sure of what is beyond your target. Number 4, always keep your finger off the trigger until you have made your decision to shoot. This test was conducted by certified firearms instructors in Trinidad and Tobago. This test was also done in a safe and controlled environment. This test can cause severe injury. Do not try this yourself. Thank you. So, as you can see from this test, cast iron frying pans is good for cooking. It is not good for stopping bullets. See you next time.